Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your The Science Factor book and open your page number 20. Today we are starting unit number 3 and our topic is the plant world. Now we discuss and learn about plants. Now read it with me. There are many different types of plant. Some of them look very pretty. Some plants look very pretty and they are flowers. Flowers look very pretty. Some smell very nice. Okay, you all of you know some plants have very nice smell. Now, what the scientists tell us? I love all different types of plants. Okay, now we study about different types of plants. Some plants have flowers. Look at this picture. Some plants have flowers. Some plants have cones. A plant with a cone like this. Now look at next page. Some plants grow tall, some plants stay short. Some plants grow tall. Look at this picture. This plant is very tall and some plants stay short. For example, look at this picture. Shrub. It is the picture of shrub. A shrub stays short. A shrub is a plant which stays short and it is a woody plant with many stems and branches. Now look at here. Algae. Algae grows on water. This type of plant grows on water. It is microscopic organism. It can be found residing in oceans, lake, river, pond and even in a snow. Some plants grow in the soil, okay, and some plant grows on water like algae. It grows on water and some plant, look at this plant, and some plant grows on soil. From soil we can get different plants, fruits and vegetables. Now turn your page, open your page number 22. In page number 22 we learn some plants have thick trunks and these are trees, okay? A tree with a thick trunk. Now look at page number 20. Look at page number 23. I ask question to you, what type of plant has a thick trunk? Trees. A tree has a thick trunk. What type of plant grows on water? What type of plant grows on water? Algae. Algae grows on water. What type of plant does not grow very tall? A shrub does not grow very tall. Now your homework is read page number 20 to 23 and learn these questions. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.